Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody out there? Good afternoon. Welcome to this 9th annual day celebration of Kids Space. On behalf of the principal, Mrs. Mary Ann Jose, the staff, and all the children, we want to welcome you, parents, for coming here today for this celebration. I think you need to give yourself a big hand for coming here. As with everything else, we start our function with a prayer. And so we'll have the school prayer by the LKG and UKG children. Calling the LKG and UKG children up on the stage, please.
Please let me all day long every story, game and song. All the happy things for you. They are happy too. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you. Give them a big hand, please, ladies and gentlemen. We'll now have a sloka by Janvi Sunil Kumar from LKG.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Parte Kamarubini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhira Bhavatu Me Sada Om Padmapatra Vishalakshi Padma Kesari Varnani Nityam Padmalayam Devi Samam Patu Saraswati Om.
Thank you. We now have a prayer by Ashril.
Happy are those who do not follow the advice of the wicked, or take path of sinners' thread, or sit in the seat of scoffers, but they delight in the law of the law. On his law they meditate day and night. They are like trees planted by streams of water, which yield fruits in season, and the leaves do not wither. In all that they do, they prosper. The wicked are not so, but they are like chaff that the wind drives away. Therefore, that the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregations, for the Lord watches of the righteous will perish. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashril. Brilliantly recited Psalm 1 from the Bible. Okay, we now proceed with the next item, which is the lighting of the lamp by the dignitaries. I request Mrs. Mary Ann Jose to kindly bring the dignitaries on stage. LKG, next item. Come. Start bringing them up. And now we will have the school song sung by the nursery, LKG and UKG children. Okay.
second home is like family. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. We like and have so much fun in a school which we know is number one. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. To everybody we lend a helping hand as the pupils of the school, much so grand. La 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 la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. We're working hard, getting smart. The super kid, sing it from a high. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. La la la, kids parents strong, la la la. We're learning every day at a rocking place. Strong, la la la.
Give them a hand, please, ladies and gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in a minute, as soon as the stage is cleared, we will have felicitation and welcome of our chief guest by Mrs. Imli, a school teacher.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of KidSpace, I would like to welcome each and every one on this much-awaited annual day celebration. Our children have all worked really hard to showcase a unique and talented mix of capabilities and skills. So I would like to remind everyone to applaud for our little ones, not only for their talent, but for their participation and willingness to stand here today. Before I go further, I would first like to welcome and introduce our guest of honor, Mrs. Kanchana Prasad Sontake, who is currently the head of branding and communications for none other than the Columbia Asia Hospitals. She has been in the field of communications for more than 17 years. This includes the heritage hospitality, fashion, cable and satellite, lifestyle and development sector. She has also worked with the same ministries as a media consultant. A science graduate from the Isabella Thorburn College in Lucknow, she has also done a professional diploma in sales and marketing from All India Management Association. Her professional life started with Genesis PR. Here she got an opportunity to work on Discovery Channel and later for the launch of National Geographic Channel in India. Setting up the PR office in Udaipur at the Udaipur Palace, her assignment included PR support for HRH Group's activities, managing events, photography, and film shoots in the City Palace in Udaipur, standardizing the PR research and documentation of historical materials. She has also worked as a freelance consultant for projects like making films on travel, culture, and fashion for Astro Malaysia and South African Broadcasting Corporation, which is a media consultant with Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology, National Disaster Management Authority, Ministry of Environment and Forests, and Child Rights. With so much under her belt, she enjoys reading on issues relating to health and fitness and cooking. She also loves traveling and understanding different cultures. Finally, something I'm sure we all thankfully have in common. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Vikas Sontake, whose path has been as successful as his wife's, a certified master trainer in soft skills, and an expert in formulating and implementing training plans, calendars, modules, and TNA, a certified HR practitioner from the Shangri-La Academy, Beijing, the training center of the Shangri-La Hotels. He currently works at the Lalit Ashok here in Bangalore. Sir, ma'am, it is indeed a grand day for us at Kids Space, and even grander to have you with us on our annual day. Thank you for honoring us with your presence. Now, we are all excited to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the parents and grandparents for your cooperation, patience, and presence here today. We believe to pull off something like this, your involvement makes this experience a much smoother one for our children. It is not only the academic focus, but the challenges that comes before each child, as we at Kids Space try to guide and mold their character, skill, communication, their creative abilities. We also try to make the transition for our children from being dependent to being independent an easier phase. All said and done, we at Kids Space try every day to make our school an environment which is ready to take on newer challenges and to make every child's stumbling block our utmost priority to solve. In the coming months, we will be joined by children and parents who will start a journey of knowledge and exploration with us. We hope that you will also join us in our experiences and offer your valuable inputs. For those of you who are leaving us, we hope that our paths cross again in friendship and in success. You will be missed, but definitely remembered. Now, without further ado, I once again welcome all of you to our 9th annual day celebration. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Imli. We'll now have the school report by the principal, Mrs. Marianne Jose.
Good evening to all who are present here today. It's a pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. I heartily welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Vikas Mohan Sontake and Mrs. Kanchana Prasad Sontake, respected parents and my dear teachers, and my lovely students and my fellow friends. It's wonderful to see such amazing gathering once in a happy year today. We all have gathered here for our annual day celebration. I welcome everybody with all my pleasant greetings, and I wish the celebration makes you smile and cheer you up with full joy and entertainment. Every year is a significant milestone, a time and moment to celebrate. As we come to the end of the academic year, I'm pleased to present you the annual report for the year 2013-2014. Our system of education, as you know, is a blend of theory and practice in the right proportion to arrive at the comprehensive curriculum. We believe that every child is capable, to be it academic, sports, or extracurricular activities. Kids Space offers all our students more than one avenue to develop, discover, and nurture his or her talents. Every student is encouraged to participate and enjoy their participation in such events, and the school encourages the all-round development of all the students. The academic year 2013-2014 began with Independence Day. We are proud to be Indians, to show our love for our motherland. The 66th Independence Day celebration was held in 13th August 2013. Where are the children? I can't see. Can they give me a brighter light? where the children participated in fancy dress competition, which added joy to the celebration. Teachers' Day. The students of Kids Space showed their love and appreciation for all the teachers with their flowers and gifts. Children's Day was celebrated on 15th November 2013, where students kept enthralled, valued, based magic show conducted, which undoubtedly stole the show. Color Week. As we know, our life was colorful when we were children. Thus, Color Week was introduced to the children to enjoy and learn different colors, and various activities based on colors was done by the students. Christmas Day. Finally, it was time for winter and Santa to come with the gifts. Children celebrated Christmas with great enthusiasm and zeal. Singing competition was conducted in the month of March. Amongst us, we have found a lot of building talent in our young artists who came and performed in front of us. They may be the future Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, or Asha Bhosle. Sports Day. Kids Space took special interest and organized the annual sports meet on December. The event began with a colorful drill where the parents were eagerly waiting for the events to start. Educational trip was organized for the students of nursery, LKG, UKG to the post office and aquarium. Trip to Cowan Park, where the children posted a card to the parents, and the children were very happy and excited. Regular parent-teacher meeting were conducted at the end of every term. The year we had 3 such meetings in the month of July, October, and January. And I'm pleased to report that over 90% of the parents attended all the 3 meetings. Let me express my gratitude and appreciation to all my parents for their cooperation. Kids Space is exceptionally blessed to have committed, dedicated, and generous and kind staff members. They invest most of their time and energy towards the all-around development of our students this evening. Creative, colorful, and glamorous presentation is the hard work and team spirit of all the staff and non-staff. Music teacher Mervyn and parents. As I wind up this report, I wish and pray that our school powerfully intercede for us to learn to be compassionate through the service. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Jose. We now request our chief guest to address us.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, let me congratulate Mrs. Mary Ann Jose, the principal of the school, as well as the entire staff for putting up the show. It's an honor for us to be here. I have always admired Mrs. Jose and all the teachers and staff of Kids Space for all the hard work they put in for all the children. I've seen the children here. They are extremely confident, happy, and disciplined. And I guess that's the base of making them into good world citizens. It's very important to find the right school for the children, especially when they are in their formative years. And I'm very happy that we found Kids Space. My son actually was the first child in the daycare, Kids Space daycare. And as a mother, I felt it was a boon that I found this place, because I always tell everybody, as a parent, you need to really worry where you're putting your child, but with Kids Space, that's one thing which you don't do is worry. And he was the first child for almost a year, and the good word spread around very quickly, and I think now there are 37 to 38 children, ma'am? 38 children in the daycare. I'm sure you don't want to hear me more, and we all want to see the children perform. So let's just kind of get them together. Let's just encourage them and for the performance. Thank you very much, and good luck to all the children and staff. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Mrs. Ondaki, for those nice words. We will now proceed to the merit session, which is the distribution of certificates to the children. We'll start with the preschool children. Can we have the preschool children up here, please? The names of these children are Anirudh MV, Achintya TM, Denzel A, Dhriti A, Dia B, Gautam Sandeep Nair, Krishav N, Nikhil S, Sai Kritika K, Joshua, Pranita, Harini, and Mahi Tibarwale. Okay. Okay, that's Anirudh MV. We now have, next we'll have Achintya. Somebody needs to take the child out. Somebody needs to take the child out. Can we have Achintya up here, please? Okay, this is Achintya. We now have Denzel A. Denzel A. Finished. Dhriti A. Okay, Dhriti Dia B.